This is a demonstration of an oil change on a 2021 Benz C300. So normally start off by putting the car on the ramp, put a drop cloth, get your creep, go under the car, and on this particular car is a 30mm socket to pull the drain plug. Get the drain plug, set your oil pan, so when the oil starts to shoot, you can catch it without messing up the place. After that, you remove this ear intake hose, sorry. So in order to remove the oil filter, you need a 27mm socket, and just like that, remove the oil filter cap. So when removing the oil filter cap, a lot of oil comes out, so use a cloth beneath the oil filter cap or a napkin to catch the oil from spilling all over the car. So we have our new oil filter. You can put them side by side to match them, ensure that it is same thing to prevent any damage to the plastic oil filter cap and the housing. So go ahead and remove the gasket. Put some oil on the gasket so it doesn't rip when you're putting it in the oil filter housing. And the easiest thing to use to remove the oil filter gasket is a pick tool. And you can get that at like Harbor Freight or AutoZone. So there we go, install the new filter. Just be careful with this one when you're inserting that in the oil filter housing. So drop that in, run it down with your finger first. Tighten. So that normally should be torqued down to 28 Newton meters. So that's like not so tight. Alright, so let's replace the drain plug with a new washer. Tighten that. Don't go too crazy. Right, that should be good. Clean up the area. So now you're gonna mark the drain plug for liability reasons. Right, so let's add some oil now. So this particular vehicle takes 6.3 quarts of oil. It's a 530 fully synthetic oil, mobile one. And if you don't know where to get the oil capacity from, you can just go ahead and go on Google Type in 2021 Mercedes-Benz C300 oil capacity and you'll see 6.3 quarts. So go ahead and start the car now. Then you check for leaks after to ensure that the oil filter is properly seated and the drain plug is not leaking. And also check if the oil filler cap is present and not lost at all times. And to give it some time to warm up and run. So after that you can go inside the car and do your oil reset. So if there's no leak, go ahead and remove your ear intake hose. Always check for leaks. Always, once you complete putting in the drain plug and the filter, always check for leaks with the vehicle running. So this is to prevent like going down the road and the drain plug wasn't installed, then you'll see that the oil is leaking on the ground. So you know what to do. Install the drain plug, clean up the oil and put more oil. So always check for leaks. Alright, so that's basically it on how to do oil change. The final thing to do is to reset your dashboard. That's it right there. And I have another video on how to do the oil reset. So that's it.